Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the wood and tools. Pick a dense log 6 to 10 inches thick so overtones ring cleanly. Once picked, mark note centers and node lines with a pencil. These determine pitch and resonance. You should install a contact mic location now to monitor tuning. It saves rework. Make sure to lay out scale spacing precisely, because small shifts change pitch. Begin carving shallow tongues along marked lines, so each tongue vibrates independently and resonates when struck. Once tongues are defined, carve slowly. Take 1 to 3 millimeter passes and test pitch frequently with your contact mic and tuner. You reduce mass to raise pitch, so thin toward the tip while preserving a strong root for sustain. That's why controlled removal matters. If a note is flat, remove wood near the tip. If sharp, add a tiny weight or build up with epoxy. Make sure to check relative tuning across the set so chords and intervals sound balanced. To finish, sand smoothly and apply a light oil or varnish so vibrations aren't choked. Heavy finishes kill ring. Once sealed, attach snares or sympathetic wires if you want that Nandipha808 style buzz, and secure the piezo or contact mic under the belly for clean pickup. Test the instrument in its performance position. If a tongue buzzes or rattles, add tiny damping or trim edges. If pitch is off at the end, make micro adjustments rather than large cuts to keep tonal character intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.